In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a seed in Leonardo AI quickly and easily. If you've ever generated an image you really like and want to recreate the same style, make small changes, or keep your results consistent, copying the seed is a super useful trick. I'll also show you where you can copy the prompt at the same time, which makes it even easier to reuse your settings later. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Leonardo AI and go to the image generation window. This is the main area where you can create and manage your AI-generated images. Once you're inside, open the image you want to work with. You'll want to make sure it's the exact generation you want to duplicate, because the seed is tied to that specific result. Now look toward the corner of the image. You should see a three-dot menu button. This menu usually gives you extra options for that image, so go ahead and click it. When the menu opens, look for the option that says Copy Seed. This is the one you want if your goal is to capture the exact seed used for that generation. Click Copy Seed and Leonardo AI will copy the seed value for you. From here, you can paste that seed into a new generation setup if you want to reproduce a similar output or build on the same starting point. This is especially helpful when you're testing prompts and want more control over the final image. And here's another helpful tip. In that same menu, you can also copy the prompt. So if you want both the seed and the original prompt, you can grab them in just a couple of clicks. That makes it much easier to save your workflow, repeat a style, or share settings with someone else. That's all there is to it. Open the image generation window, open your image, click the three-dot menu in the corner, and choose Copy Seed. If needed, you can also copy the prompt from the same place. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of the time when you're trying to refine your Leonardo AI results. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step AI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.